Volcano update today. Iceland's unique geographical position and geological characteristics make it one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. The eruption on the Reykjanes Peninsula, where the mid-Atlantic ridge rises above sea level, is a striking reminder of the island's dynamic nature. This region hadn't seen volcanic activity for nearly 8 centuries, making this event particularly significant. The eruption's proximity to Iceland's densely populated southwest is notable. Rather than causing widespread fear, it has inspired fascination and curiosity, leading thousands to witness this natural phenomenon up close. This reflects Icelanders' deep connection with their land and its raw, untamed forces. Former President Ólafur Ragnar Grímsson's description of the eruption as akin to a folk festival highlights Icelanders' cultural resilience and their ability to find wonder in nature's unpredictable power. The term tourist eruption underscores how such events often become opportunities for both locals and visitors to engage with Iceland's volcanic legacy in a uniquely communal and celebratory way. It's a powerful example of how communities can live harmoniously with Earth's formidable forces, transforming potential hazards into shared moments of awe and unity. The Geldingadalur eruption on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula is a fascinating geological event that offers a rare glimpse into the dynamics of Earth's mantle. Its relatively small scale and low risk make it an excellent case study for scientists and an awe-inspiring spectacle for onlookers. With an average discharge of 5.7 cubic meters of lava per second, this eruption represents a steady release of magma directly from the mantle at depths of 17 to 20 kilometers. By March 23, the eruption had already produced around 1.8 million cubic meters of lava, forming a growing field in the uninhabited mountain valley. This slow, stable activity is characteristic of what could evolve into a shield volcano, similar to those found in Hawaii, which produce extensive, gently sloping landforms over extended periods. The fluidity of the magma ensures that it flows easily, reducing the likelihood of explosive interactions with water or ice that could generate ash plumes. This minimizes the disruption to air travel, a significant concern during eruptions like Eyjafjallajökull in 2010. Instead, the Geldingadalur eruption offers a low-risk opportunity to observe and study the creation of new land in real time. If this eruption continues for months or even years as predicted, it could mark the beginning of a new volcanic era on the Reykjanes Peninsula. It's a vivid reminder of Iceland's ever-changing landscape and the remarkable interplay between its people and their environment. How dangerous is it? The risks are local, particularly around the eruption site, but serious enough that care is needed when visiting. From the eruption itself, toxic gas emissions, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide close to the eruption site, accumulating in depressions especially during low wind conditions or spreading downwind, are the most dangerous and could lead to death. Following monitoring in recent days, it has been identified that the gas risk is much higher than previously thought. The lava front, as well as the lava surface and cones, are unstable and can break, releasing a fast-moving lava lobe more than 10 times hotter than boiling water, and a new fissure or vent may open with little warning. While the Geldingadalur eruption itself presents significant localized hazards, it's the harsh Icelandic terrain and unpredictable weather that have caused the most challenges for visitors so far. The combination of a demanding hike and wintry, changeable weather creates a potentially dangerous situation for the unprepared. Iceland's history of volcanic eruptions has often been accompanied by public fascination, drawing large crowds eager to witness these dramatic natural events. However, as past incidents like the 2000 Hekla eruption demonstrate, this enthusiasm can sometimes lead to dangerous situations, particularly when combined with Iceland's harsh winter conditions. Efforts to ensure the safety of visitors to the Geldingadalur eruption are a testament to the dedication of Iceland's rescue teams and authorities. The Orbjorn rescue team's recent marking of a new hiking route with yellow stakes is a significant step in improving accessibility and guiding visitors safely through the challenging terrain. The Geldingadalur eruption offers a unique opportunity to witness a rare geological event, but it demands respect for the environment and the precautions in place. By adhering to safety guidelines, visitors can enjoy this awe-inspiring spectacle responsibly while minimizing risks to themselves and the emergency teams working tirelessly to protect them.